Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the most exciting open source projects that are trending on GitHub this week. In part 1 of our series, we'll be exploring a diverse range of tools, from cutting-edge multimodal AI models to powerful self-hosted platforms, and autonomous AI agents for software development. Get ready to discover how these projects can revolutionize your workflow and enhance your tech experience. Let's jump right in and explore the forefront of open source innovation. Project number 1, Goose, your autonomous AI engineering agent. Today, we're diving into an incredibly exciting open source project called codename Goose. Now, what exactly is Goose, and what makes it so unique? Well, imagine having your own on-machine AI agent that can automate a wide range of engineering tasks. That's essentially what Goose does. It's designed to seamlessly integrate into your workflow, helping you with everything from debugging and deployment to updating dependencies and even generating code. What makes it truly stand out is its autonomous nature. Unlike other tools, Goose can independently handle complex tasks, freeing you to focus on the bigger picture and more creative aspects of your projects. Think of it as your own personal coding assistant that not only understands your commands, but also learns from your project, allowing it to anticipate your needs. Goose is also built with transparency and collaboration in mind, meaning it's open source, allowing developers to contribute, customize, and innovate. Goose isn't limited to just the basic tasks. It can be customized with your preferred LLM and connected to any external MCP server or API. This flexibility allows you to tailor Goose to your specific needs and integrate it with your existing tools. And it's not just theoretical either. Real engineers are already using it to do things like creating custom CLI commands, migrating components, generating fake data for APIs, and even automating calendar management. It's saving them hours of work and making complex tasks manageable. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your productivity and simplify your engineering workflows, Goose is definitely worth checking out. It's a game changer. Project number 2, DeepSeek Coder V2, the open source code AI powerhouse. We're diving into a groundbreaking open source project called DeepSeek Coder V2, breaking the barrier of closed source models in code intelligence. Now, what exactly is DeepSeek Coder V2, and what makes it so unique? Well, it's an advanced code language model that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI in software development. What sets it apart is that it's an open source mixture of experts, model that performs on par with, and in some cases, even surpasses, closed source models like GPT-4 Turbo in code-specific tasks. DeepSeek Coder V2 has been further pre-trained with an additional 6 trillion tokens, significantly improving its coding and mathematical reasoning capabilities. This model isn't just about coding, it also maintains a comparable performance in general language tasks. It has expanded its support for programming languages from 86 to 338, and has extended the context length from 16K to a massive 128K. DeepSeek Coder V2 comes in 16B and 236B parameter versions, with active parameters of only 2.4B and 21B respectively, making it accessible for a range of hardware setups. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including code generation, code completion, and code fixing. Impressively, in standard benchmark evaluations, DeepSeek Coder V2 demonstrates superior performance compared to models like Gemini 1.5 Pro, Claude 3 Opus, and GPT-4 Turbo in coding and math benchmarks. You can even use it on DeepSeek's official website or via their OpenAI-compatible API. The project also provides examples of how to run the model locally using Hugging Face Transformers, SGLang, and VLLM. DeepSeek Coder V2 is not just a model, it's a fully fledged AI-powered coding assistant that's set to transform the software development landscape. Project number 3, Page Assist, your private AI web companion. We're exploring another awesome open source project called Page Assist, your local AI web companion. Now, what exactly is Page Assist, and what makes it so unique? Well, imagine having your own AI assistant that runs entirely on your local machine, seamlessly integrating with your web browsing. That's precisely what Page Assist offers. It's a browser extension designed to bring the power of your local AI models directly into your web experience. What sets it apart is its focus on privacy and local processing. Unlike many other AI tools, Page Assist doesn't send your data to the cloud. Instead, it utilizes models running on your computer, ensuring that your information remains private and secure. This means that you have full control over your data and how it's processed. Page Assist provides both a sidebar and a WebUI to interact with your AI model, allowing you to chat with any web page. You can ask questions about the content, summarize articles, and much more, all within the context of your current browsing session. The extension supports a wide range of browsers like Chrome, Brave, and Firefox, and it can connect to various local AI providers such as Llama, Chrome AI, Gemini Nano, and any OpenAI API-compatible endpoint. Page Assist is designed to be flexible and customizable to your needs. You can even manually install the extension by cloning the repository and using Bun to build it. Page Assist is more than just an extension. It's a privacy-focused, efficient way to enhance your web browsing experience with the power of local AI. So, if you're looking for a way to integrate AI into your workflow while maintaining your privacy, Page Assist is definitely worth checking out. It is open source, and you can even contribute. Project number 4, Janus, Unified Multimodal Understanding and Generation. We're diving into another exciting project called Janus, Unified Multimodal Understanding and Generation Models. Now, what exactly is Janus, and what makes it so unique? Well, Janus is a series of multimodal models designed to both understand and generate content across different modalities, like text and images. What sets it apart is its ability to perform both tasks within a single framework using a unified transformer architecture. This means that Janus can not only understand what you're asking it to do when you provide text and images, but also generate new content in response. This is achieved by decoupling the visual encoding process, which allows for greater flexibility and reduces conflict between the roles of the visual encoder in understanding and generation. Janus comes in a few different versions, including Janus Pro, which is an advanced version with improved multimodal understanding and visual generation. There is also Janus Flow, which integrates autoregressive language models with rectified flow for image generation, achieving excellent performance without complex architectural modifications. These models are available for download on Hugging Face, supporting a wide range of research within both academic and commercial communities. You can try out the online demos for Janus, Janus Pro, and Janus Flow to see their capabilities firsthand. You can also find the installation instructions and simple inference examples in the project documentation to run the models locally. This project stands out due to its unified approach, its high flexibility, and its ability to surpass previous unified models. So, if you're interested in exploring a truly versatile multimodal AI, Janus is definitely worth checking out. Project number 5, Unsloth, Faster LLM Fine-Tuning with 70% less memory. We're diving into an incredible open-source project called Unsloth, Fine-Tuning LLMs 2-5x faster with less memory. Now, what exactly is Unsloth, and what makes it so unique? Well, Unsloth is a library designed to fine-tune large language models, LLMs, like Llama 3, Mistral, 5.4, Qwen, and Gemma much faster and more efficiently. What sets it apart is its focus on performance and reduced memory usage. Using Unsloth, you can fine-tune models 2 to 5 times faster, with up to 70% less memory. This is achieved through a manual backprop engine and kernels written in OpenAI's Triton language. This efficiency allows for longer context windows with models such as the Llama 3.1, 8b, supporting up to 342K context, surpassing its native support of 128K. Unsloth offers a variety of free notebooks that are beginner-friendly, allowing users to add their datasets, click Run All, and get a faster fine-tuned model. These models can be exported to GGUF, Llama, VLLM, or uploaded to Hugging Face. Unsloth supports 4-bit and 16-bit QLORA/LoRa fine-tuning via bits and bytes, and requires no hardware changes. The project also supports a variety of NVIDIA GPUs from 2018 and onwards. Additionally, Unsloth has been benchmarked by Hugging Face and found to deliver significant improvements in speed and memory reduction. The library now also supports dynamic 4-bit quantization, which greatly increases accuracy while only using a small amount of additional VRAM. Unsloth also has a pip install option with instructions to get the optimal install for your device. This project is not just about speed, it's about making AI accessible to more people with less hardware. Project number 6, Polar, Sell Digital Products in Minutes. We're diving into an awesome open source project called Polar, an open source merchant of record. Now, what exactly is Polar, and what makes it so unique? Well, Polar is designed to be an all-in-one funding and monetization platform for developers. It lets you sell SaaS and digital products in minutes. This includes selling access to GitHub repositories, Discord support channels, file downloads, license keys, and more, through digital products and subscriptions. What makes Polar stand out is its focus on taking care of the infrastructure needed to get you paid so you can focus on your passion. Polar is an alternative to platforms like Lemon Squeezy and Paddle. Polar handles the boilerplate, such as billing, receipts, and customer accounts, and the headaches, like sales tax and VAT. It does this while operating with a transparent pricing model of 4% plus 40 cents per transaction, and no fixed monthly costs. It has a public API and webhook API for integrations, and SDKs for JavaScript, Node.js and browsers, and Python. You can integrate Polar on your docs, sites, or services. The project is also built on a monorepo architecture, using Python, FastAPI, Arc, and SQL Alchemy for the server, and Next.js with TypeScript for the dashboard. Polar is licensed under the Apache license, version 2.0. The project uses other helpful tech such as FastAPI, Pydantic, Arc, SQL Alchemy, GitHub, SSE Starlet, Ubicorn, HTTP/XOAuth, Jinja, Blinker, PyJWT, Sentry, Next.js, Tanstack Query, Tailwinds, Zustand, OpenAPI TypeScript Codagen, Axios, Radix UI, CMDK, and FramerMotion. Polar is not just a payment platform, it's a comprehensive solution for developers looking to monetize their creations. So, if you're a developer looking for a flexible and easy way to handle your funding and project number 7 EXO, run your own AI cluster at home. We're diving into an incredible open source project called EXO, run your own AI cluster at home with everyday devices. Now, what exactly is EXO, and what makes it so unique? Well, EXO allows you to unify your existing devices like iPhones, iPads, Android devices, Macs, and Linux machines into one powerful AI cluster, bypassing the need for expensive NVIDIA GPUs. What sets EXO apart is its ability to automatically discover other devices on your network and optimally split up AI models based on the network topology and available device resources. This enables you to run larger models than you could on any single device. Unlike other distributed inference frameworks, EXO uses a peer-to-peer architecture where each device contributes to running models, and any device connected in the network can be used. EXO supports a variety of models, including Llama, Mistral, LLAVA, Qwen, and DeepSeek. The project provides a ChatGPT-compatible API, making it easy to integrate EXO into your applications. You can install EXO from source, requiring Python 3.12 or newer, and it offers support for NVIDIA GPUs on Linux. You can also install the necessary packages with one line of code. The only real requirement is enough memory across all your devices to fit the entire model into memory. EXO is designed to work with heterogeneous devices, meaning you can combine powerful GPUs with less powerful integrated GPUs or even CPUs, which allows for increased throughput. You can get started by running a simple command like EXO on different devices, and the software will handle the rest. There is also an option to use the EXO run command to run models on a single device. It even starts a ChatGPT-like WebUI accessible at http://localhost 52415. This project is not just about running AI models, it's about making distributed AI accessible. Project number 8, OpenHands, AI Software Development Agents. We're exploring an impressive open source project called OpenHands. Code less, make more. Now, what exactly is OpenHands, and what makes it so unique? Well, OpenHands is a platform for software development agents, powered by AI. What sets OpenHands apart is its ability to empower AI agents to perform tasks that a human developer can do, including modifying code, running commands, browsing the web, calling APIs, and even copying code snippets from Stack Overflow. This means OpenHands can handle a wide variety of software development tasks autonomously. OpenHands is designed to be run by a single user on their local workstation, so it's not designed for multi-tenant deployments. You can easily get started with OpenHands using Docker. Once running, you'll find OpenHands at http://localhost 3000. The project also supports various LLM providers, but Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet works best. OpenHands is a community-driven project and welcomes contributions. You can join the community via Slack, Discord, or GitHub. The project is licensed under the MIT license. If you are interested in running OpenHands in a multi-tenant environment, they ask that you get in touch with them for advanced deployment options. The project is built by a large number of contributors, and also builds upon other open-source projects. This makes OpenHands a versatile and collaborative platform for AI-driven software development. So if you're looking to explore the possibilities of AI agents in coding, OpenHands is definitely worth checking out. The project also has a detailed documentation and troubleshooting guide. Project number 9, WebUI, self-hosted AI and fully offline. We're diving into another awesome open-source project called WebUI, user-friendly AI interface. Now, what exactly is WebUI, and what makes it so unique? Well, WebUI is a self-hosted AI platform designed to be user-friendly and operate entirely offline. What sets WebUI apart is its support for various LLM runners, such as Llama and OpenAI-compatible APIs. This gives you the flexibility to use a variety of models and customize your AI experience by linking with LM Studio, Grok Cloud, Mistral, OpenRouter, and more. WebUI also includes a built-in inference engine for retrieval augmented generation, RAG, making it a powerful AI deployment solution. WebUI can be easily installed using Docker or Kubernetes, and it offers a responsive design for use on desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. There's also a progressive web app (PWA) for a native app-like experience on your mobile device, even providing offline access on local host. WebUI includes a wide range of features, such as full Markdown and LaTeX support, hands-free voice/video call functionality, a model builder to create Llama models via the WebUI, and a native Python function calling tool. It also supports local RAG integration, allowing you to load documents directly into the chat, as well as web search and browsing capabilities. WebUI can also be integrated with image generation tools and allows for multiple model conversations simultaneously. Finally, WebUI has multilingual support and a plugin system for custom logic. WebUI is continuously updated and has a thriving community. If you're looking for a user-friendly AI platform that you can self-host and completely control, project number 10, Qwen 2.5 VL. Advanced Multimodal AI. We're exploring an impressive multimodal AI project called Qwen 2.5 VL, Advanced Vision Language Model. Now, what exactly is Qwen 2.5 VL, and what makes it so unique? Well, Qwen 2.5 VL is a series of multimodal large language models developed by the Qwen team at Alibaba Cloud. What sets Qwen 2.5 VL apart is its ability to understand and process information from both images and text, and its enhanced capabilities in document parsing, object grounding, and video understanding. It's not just about seeing and reading. Qwen 2.5 VL can now handle complex documents with handwriting, tables, charts, and even chemical formulas and music sheets. Qwen 2.5 VL also offers precise object grounding, enabling it to accurately detect, point, and count objects in various formats. It also provides ultra-long video understanding, allowing it to process videos that last for hours and extract event segments quickly. The project also has enhanced agent functionality for smartphones and computers. The model architecture is updated with dynamic resolution and frame rate training for video understanding and a streamlined and efficient vision encoder. The model is available in 3B, 7B, and 72B parameter versions. If you're looking to explore the cutting edge of vision language models, Qwen 2.5 VL is definitely worth checking out. The project includes a variety of cookbooks for different capabilities such as recognition, localization, document parsing, video understanding, and more. You can also try out their API service. You can access the models through ModelScope or Hugging Face. That wraps up part 1 of our deep dive into the top trending open source GitHub projects of the week. We've covered some truly remarkable tools, from advanced AI models to versatile development platforms. Which project are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll uncover more innovative open source projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.